Just me and you, ooh, baby. Just me and you, just the two. Just me and you.
Hey, it's Danielle, aka the Carefree Natural, and I wanted to show you guys after I take down my triangle braids. I most of the time when I have braids, I try to wear it, after you unbraid them with this crinkly effect, but it didn't look like what I was going for.
Okay. You want to be in a video? Ooh.
Thing was taking out the rubber bands. So the technique I tried to do was like untying it once so it'll be a little bit looser, and then I would break it because sometimes it was kind of too tight to slide off of my hair, and I also didn't want it to like be pulling it either. So after I broke it, it would come out pretty easy, but some of them were kind of difficult. So I've seen another video where they had like these, I guess a girl called them elastics, and they were like white or clear, so maybe for the next go around I'll use those, because when she took them out of her hair they were just already broken, so she didn't even have to do anything really. And then at some point I put oil on my hands, on my fingers, so I think that would help too, if you're having a hard time getting the rubber bands out. So definitely try it that way. The back ones, they were pretty easy actually. I don't know if that's because my hair is like looser curls back there or whatever, but you can see like this one just slid off. Didn't have to break it. And then the other one's just, I don't know, it's just easier for some reason.
About this much that came out, so that's not bad, I think. Like this one, how it's stirred at the roots and stuff. And just take it, like pinch it right there and just kind of separate it. Get whatever loose hairs. Just go on and get them out your head. Any hairs that already shed it, even when your hair is in braids, it's shedding. So just don't be alarmed. One thing though, I feel like my hair is like, I don't know, weaker after I put in braids, so I'd be very delicate when I'm separating it and stuff. Not break anything. Just gently go through it. Break up the dirt so when you wash it, yeah, that's a big thing, because breaking up the dirt will help it also come out easier, I think, washing it. Oh, that's a clever name. Slim Chickens.